It's just regular. Now this is the last set of bread we're making for right now. And we use self-rising flour and bread flour because I ran out of bread flour. Alright, so now this is going to be a little weird. Alright, here we go. Don't like me at all right now. Alright, there we are. That worked. Alright, put that in. To get this one really good because this is we'll do it. We gotta see with that one flour, we gotta get it all mixed together fast now, otherwise it'll peel apart. And this is self-rising, which means I don't know how much beating this one needs. Go, your turn. Go. This is called daddy-daughter working together. And then, alright. Okay. I'm gonna start cleaning. Ooh, there it is. There you go. Oh man, see now you gotta like get in there now. You gotta get your elbow grease going here. See how it's clumpy now? We gotta get those clumps out. So that means I gotta do it until later, but we'll do it now. Yeah. This. Gotta get this down just that hard as it go. This kind of stuff we use for like bread makers and stuff like that. Never really like this stuff, but it comes okay in a pinch. Since nobody wants to carry bread flour. We're gonna have to play the beat down game. This is really good because this is otherwise one.
Beat down what?
Beat down game.
That's not called a beat down.
I call it the beat down. Get to take a little stress out. Alright. See, it's flaking. That's what I don't want. Okay. Alright, here we go. Crumple it. Crumple it. Get it into there. Get your hand, like, really work it in there. Knead it. Oh, don't pull apart though. It's okay. Ready? Chop. Back up. Back up. Yo! Do! Do! Huh? Hey, we get it right. At least I have fun doing what I'm doing. Here, I'll let you take over.
No, I don't want to.
No, because I got to get the other thing ready. I got to get the thing where we're putting it ready.
What?
There you go. Ready?
You know what? I'll just like roll.
No, just knead it. All you got to do is knead it like I'm doing. Yeah. Knead this.
It's done.
It's not. Trust me when I say it's not. Why do you think Amish are such strong people?
I don't even know what Amish people are.
They're very simple people. Great people. Very simple though.
What?
Simple. Alright, now
It's not,
Huh?
not moving.
There you go. Alright, there we go. Now it's starting to get some resemblance of what I want it to do. There we go. It's all about how it feels.
Okay, I'm washing my.
Why don't you go get your shower and everything?
What?
Get your shower and everything. We gotta go in here in a minute. We gotta get that. We got the Marine Corps dance. Oh,
Is he even playing?
yes. It's just regular video. It's not like live or anything.
I don't need to take my shower though.
You got stuff in your hair and everything. You don't care.
What? Are you kidding me? No, I don't have anything in my hair. Then I don't have to blow dry my hair.
Oh, I make her so crazy. That's fun being her dad. Alright, let's get this other stuff up and going now. There we go. Alright, let's drag. We'll set it back with the other two. And we gotta go. And we're heading over to the... Alright. So busy and stuff. Alright, there we go. Alright. Okay, time to clean everything up now. There we go.